In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a font into Elementor. If you're looking to make your website stand out and reflect your brand's unique style, custom fonts can significantly enhance your site's appearance. So, let's dive right in and walk you through the process of importing a font using Elementor. First, we need to ensure we have the right tools, which takes us to the installation of a plugin. Navigate to the Plugins section in your WordPress dashboard. From there, click on Add New. Now, in the search bar, type Custom Fonts and press Enter. This plugin helps in managing and uploading custom fonts seamlessly, so you want to have it on your site. Once you find it, hit the Install button and wait for the process to complete. Don't forget to activate it afterward so that it's functional. With the plugin installed and activated, it's time to upload your desired font files. These usually come in various formats like WAF or TTF, making them versatile and adaptable to different web environments. Head over to the Appearance section on your WordPress menu and select Custom Fonts. This is where you'll be managing all your custom typography. Click on the Add New button to begin uploading your font files. As you upload, it's important to provide details such as the font family name. This will help you identify your font easily when you're working on your designs later. Think about what styles your font offers, whether it's bold, italic, or regular, and input these details correctly. Accuracy in this step will ensure that your custom fonts display exactly how you envision them in your designs. Now that your font is uploaded, don't forget to save your settings. Saving at this stage is crucial as it stores your customizations and ensures they're ready for use. Following this, it's good practice to clear any caches you might have. Cached files can sometimes prevent new changes from appearing, so clearing them helps in reflecting the most up-to-date version of your site. With these steps, you've successfully imported a custom font into Elementor. You can now go ahead and utilize this font inside the Elementor editor, applying your new typography across different sections of your site. Simply open Elementor, find the section you want, and choose your font from the typography settings. Your custom font should be available in the drop-down menu. That's all there is to it. Incorporating a custom font in Elementor is a straightforward process that can make a big difference in the look and feel of your website. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy designing, and see you in the next video.